Before we get into the quick video, guys, be sure to give me a like. All right, guys, coming out to the whip. I hope all you guys are having a good Thanksgiving. But as you can see right here, we got the lovely stock exhaust on. Guys, I really think it's time to try what the 3-inch is all about, because I've been doing a decent amount of races lately and I definitely need more RPM. I ended up bumping my limiter up and I just feel like the stock exhaust is a little restrictive right now, so I think it's time to order a 3-inch. I found a really good deal on one. It's not expensive at all, and it's something that I've been wanting for a long time. So if you listen to this video, I'll drop the link in the description. If you go back and watch this video I made, I actually talked about getting this exhaust before I got the Skunk 2 one. But I want to show you guys as well. All right, let me pop this down real quick. It's kind of hard to see in here, but there is a yellow connector right here. I unplugged that for my EPS because I am still battling the notorious EPS issue. Let me get a light in there for you so you can kind of see that yellow connector right there. The one I unplugged is for like the EPS module or whatever. So I thought that unplugging that would definitely help with the EPS, but honestly today it was a little warmer out and the issue still persists. I have a few things that I want to fill you guys in on midnight here. So basically what the deal is now, I'm still battling the EPS issue. Came on today. It comes on when it's warm out, guys. I don't understand what it is. And then I need to do rear wheel bearings. I have noise coming from the rears, so I got to take care of that. And then in terms of performance, I bumped my rev limiter up a hair to 7,800 RPMs, and I've been seriously considering getting a 3-inch exhaust because I've been doing a lot of races lately. And I just feel like the 3-inch is going to benefit my top end. I may lose a little bit of torque down low, but I need a little more RPMs, less restriction up top. I feel like I'll do better in my pulls. I think this thing will pull like a beast with a 3-inch. And I know you guys have been talking about it for a while, you know, go 3-inch, and this and that. And I never really considered it up until recently. I've been looking at dyno charts and everything like that, and people are swearing that the 3-inch is the way for basically performance in the K series, especially the K24s. So the K24 I've put on, I think, yeah, about 11,000 miles since I did the swap. But another issue that I'm facing right now is a random coolant leak. And it's kind of hard to see down there, but you could see there's some drips on the lower radiator hose. But I believe that the coolant is coming out of either the top radiator or the top of this hose right here. So I really hope the radiator's not cracked, but that's something else I need to figure out. But other than that, guys, the thing has been a blast. Like, I love this engine, honestly. Probably still going to get a 3-inch because it's not going to really cost that much money. See how much it will open this thing up top end wide. In terms of the EPS issues, kind of been losing motivation. I'm not going to lie. Kind of been losing motivation with the whole EPS issue. I'm hoping I can reset it somehow. I found a procedure online, so I'm going to try that. And hopefully I can get this thing to where I have it again. Just regular steering, because it does get super annoying, guys. So that's basically what I have planned out for the car. If I can get everything situated in terms of that, then I'll probably do paint next year. And I want to bring it to a dyno, see what I put down for power. So I just wanted to fill you guys in. It's Thanksgiving. I had some free time. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Be sure to give me a like on this video, and also click the subscribe button if you want to see more content with my SI. Peace.